Hello everybody, welcome to my latest unboxing video. These are my final records from Vinylmeplease. My subscription has ended and maybe they're having some cool new releases coming up, then I'll get a member again. But so far these are my final releases and there's one I'm super excited about it for months. And it's really for the bad girls. So yeah, let's open it up and see what's within it. Once again, Vinylmeplease is having a great packaging. I wouldn't throw these away because you can always use them for other vinyls you are sending out. So let's see what we have here. Oh my god, it's the one I was waiting for. The Bad Girls release of Donna Summer. As far as I know, this is the first reissue from her 1979 album, and look at this. Also included is a Vinylmeplease sticker, if you would like to have that. I'll put it somewhere. Okay, so in this package should be Love is the Message. Yep. So let's open these up. Once again, I'm very happy with the packaging of Vinylmeplease because sometimes you have the shrink paper like glued to the cover, and you really have to cut it off very carefully to not ruin your cover. And what they do is they know about the zipper, so that's super cool. There's also a hyper sticker on these. Can you get that? So you should be seeing that. Hyper sticker on it. The cover, a beautiful cardboard. Very nice print on it, on the front side. And this is the back side. And what I really appreciate is what they do with their releases is that you get these in the master sleeves. And this makes sure you have no scratching when you open up the record. And this is really on the plus side, that's perfect. I think what they also include is music, not Love is the Message, a love message, musical message, sorry about that. You get some liner notes within in this kind of little book. I think in the early days of Vinylmeplease they always had recipes for cocktails with it, but not having these. On the back you can also see that it's a, can you see that here? It's a Vinylmeplease exclusive. Okay, now let's get to the record I've been waiting for months. When they announced it, I could hardly wait to get it, and as far as I know, it's already been sold out. So, once again, you have a sticker up here, Bad Girls, Disco Queens, Landmark 1979 double LP featuring Hot Stuff and Bad Girls. Cut from the original tapes, pressed on exclusive 2 LP Sunset Galaxy vinyl, limited to 1,000 foil stamp numbered copies. I love that sound. Okay. While Love Message, musical message, sorry, was printed on a very glossy one, this is not glossy. I think you can see that. That's the front page. The back, it's number 194. Let's open it up. Oh wow, that's, you can see the pictures. Okay, let's see the Galaxy vinyl color. Okay. This is pretty thick cardboard, and well, this musical message was in a master sleeve. This one is not. It's in the okay. We had a little malfunction from the camera, but anyway. So usually I cut these open. This time I can't cut it open. So I try to be very careful to not make any scratches on the vinyl. I hear these surface noises when the paper very smoothly scratches over the vinyl. So I put my lamp behind that, so you may have a better view of. No, it doesn't make any difference if I have a lamp or not, but I think you get an impression of the vinyl. Yeah, that's a beauty, and I'm very happy that I got it. If you have a chance to get it as well, good luck. As far as I know, it's been sold out, but I'm pretty sure you can still get that for a decent price. I paid $30 for the 2 LP set, and also I think around 30 for the musical message. So I know what I will do. What I listened to tonight. So yeah, here's the label. I want to show you the label and the back side of the label from record 2. So yeah, that's it so far. Have fun with my unboxing. We will be having an episode of Hidden Jewels of Soul and Disco this week as well, featuring I think one of the most unknown disco movies ever. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Have a great week till then. Bye.